style, design, at higit sa lahat ay ang kanyang performance. Abay, magugustuhan mo itong bagong video na to at itong bagong i-flex natin, which is the Honda ADV 160. So hi mga people, it's me again, your girl Jenny D, and I'm back with another video. You know what guys, I'm so excited to review this motorcycle kasi this is one of the most motorcycle na hinahangaan ko, not just sa kanyang look, but of course the power and the performance sa motorsiklo na to. Kaya yeah, the best among the rest. Ito yung scooter na built for city rides. Not just that, hindi rin ito natatakot to hit the rough road. I think hindi pa naman ito outdated kasi na-release siya noong 2023 if I'm not mistaken. So it's almost 2 years na guys. So hindi siya update kasi bentang-benta talaga to guys. Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit na ako nagawa ng video ngayon, it is basically because palit ulit bentang-benta nga, di ba? Palit ulit. So, ganito kasi yung story Every time na may delivery na unit dito sa branch, of course guys, kinaumagahan is mabenta lahat, mabenta agad as in sold out lahat kasi ito ka-hype na hype ang motorsiklong ito. Kaya naman, samahan nyo ako i-review kung sulit pa rin nga bang bilhin si Honda ADV 160 this 2025 or worth it nga ba siyang bilhin this 2025. Kaya naman guys, wag na natin to patagalin because I'm so excited to share to you the specification and most especially the reviews dito. So let's drive into it. Vroom, vroom, vroom! First things first, let's talk about the design. Just look at this beast. The ADV 160 carries the rugged, adventure, ready styling from its bigger siblings, the XADVs, but in a more compact, and of course, the Honda ADV 160 is friendly commuter package. It looks like a big bike, guys, pero hindi siya big bike. May aggressive adventure styling at malupit, naka-LED headlight na tayo dito na malinaw lalo na sa gabi. We've got the sharp lines, an aggressive front fascia, and that adjustable windshield, perfect for aerodynamics and wind protection. Pwedeng itaas o ibaba, depende sa trip mo, kaya kung long ride or city ride, ay wala tayong problema dyan. Siyempre guys, is naka-fully digital meter panel na po tayo dito, na super bright and modern looking. And this digital instrument cluster gives you all the information you need, like the speedometer, fuel gauge, at higit sa lahat, ang trip meter. Malinaw na malinaw kahit tirik ang araw. These bikes really nailed the adventure scooter, the aesthetic with this one. So now, let's talk about sa kanyang performance. Ito ang pinakamalaking upgrade sa ADV 160 na mas malakas at syempre mas makakatipid ka talaga. It comes with a 157cc 4-stroke liquid-cooled na may ESP Plus technology para smooth pero powerful ang ride. It derives a maximum power of 11.8 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 14.7 Nm at 6,500 RPM, which proves more than enough for a reliable ride that takes you from a daily commuting to leisure trips. Well, it's not a rocket, but it is a scooter. This thing pulls really well, whether you're crashing through city traffic or sa mga open roads. There's plenty of power to keep things fun. For the acceleration, guys, ang lakas ng hata kahit may angkas o loaded, kayang-kaya nito. At may Honda Selectable Torque Control siya or HSTC para iwas slip sa madulas na kalsada. Most especially yung mga slippery road. This Honda ADV 160 is built for adventure. Meron itong suspension sa front na telescopic fork. And sa kanya namang rear is my twin rear shocks. Do a great job of absorbing bumps, making rough road feels way smoother. Check this out, 165mm of ground clearance and semi-dual purpose tire. My tire size na 110/180 minus 14 MC, 53 P tubeless. At sa kanya namang rear na may 130/7013 MC57P tubeless. For both front and rear, guys, is naka-tubeless na po tayo dito. This is not a dirt bike, okay? At lalong-lalong hindi siya pang trail bike. But can handle some adventure like that. Braking is handled by a front disc with ABS na may brake type of hydraulic disc. Ganon din sa kanyang rear. The stopping power is strong and reliable, especially with the Honda's Combi brake system helping distribute braking force. Dagdagan pa natin na malapad at malambot ang upuan na may 30-liter underseat storage. Pasok dito ang iyong full-faced helmet. Ganon siya kalawak, ganon siya kaganda. Sa konsumo, matipid to kasi umabot ng 45 to 50 kilometers per liter. Depende sa riding style mo, guys, kasi meron din tayo dito na yung mindset ba, pag malaki yung cc ng motorsiklo mo, angas mo sa daan, di ba? Magpakusog jud kag dagan kay of course dako imuhang cc sa imong motor, so magpakusog jud kag dagan. So depende ra gyapon na sa imuhang driving style nimo, guys. Yung fuel tank capacity nito is 8.1 liter. Kanyang fuel system is naka PGM-FI na po tayo dito. Yung bore and stroke is nasa 60/55.5 mm. And of course, we've got the practical features like Honda Smart Key. Meron itong anti-thief alarm and of course, the answer box system. So naka-remote na po tayo dito. And even a USB charging port for your phone. Sa kanya namang driver's front is makikita natin ang kanyang handlebar na naka-tampered handlebar na tayo dito. For the seat height, we have 780 mm. For the starting system, we have electric or ACG starter. Ignition system, full transistorized. And here's the driver's front. Makita natin dito ang handlebar. We also have here the high and low beam. We have the horn and the left and right signal. Also, ganina nasabi ko na yung ating handlebar is nakatampered na po tayo dito. And of course, sa ating right side is nandito yung kanyang idling switch. We have the hazard switch and of course, the electric starter. And ito naman, guys, is sa kanyang manual switch para sa ating digital panel. Ayun na nga, guys, na-review na natin yung ADV 160. So that's it. Kasi if you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and adventure-ready, definitely this is the best option out there. It's got the power, the comfort, the efficiency, just enough to make your rides more enjoyable. So if you're thinking on getting one, let me know in the comment section below. And of course, guys, available na siya sa color na matte metallic, the white, and of course, the metallic black. So, 3 lang iyahang color variants. And of course, ang iyahang price is 166,900. But, sa ginaingon ko pa balik-balik, no, depende ang price sa iyong location or sa mga dealers nga naa sa inyong dapit. So, here is naami sa Bohol. So, ang price ani is 166,900. So, available may tanang color, guys. So, mapa-red, mapa-white, mapa-black, available may tanan, guys. And of course, ang nakanindot is na siya freebies. So, we offer sa mga freebies, muna siya, natay sweatshirt, naatay 150 gasoline, half-face helmet. Isa lang ang half-face helmet nga among mahatag niyo, guys, for the driver only. And we also have a sign plate or the temporary plate. So gina-provide na mo na tanan, guys. And of course, upon checking, upon PDI sa inyong mga motorsiklo, we assure you, guys, na perfect ug walay problema ang motor. So we also offer 3 years sa TPL insurance. So, TPL, which means third-party liabilities. And, of course, for the LTO registration sa inyong ORCR, so kami na ang mo handle for 3 years. Okay? So, the 3 years. If ma-expire na, so pwede na mo mabalik sa among branch niya. Kami na mo magpa-process again for another registration. So, ingana na siya kadali, guys. You can avail this motorcycle. It's either cash or installment. Amo ang branch, we are also located sa CPG North Avenue. Padong na siya sa Mangga Dapit, ana. And then, of course, naasad mi branch diri sa ICM Mall nga adto sa Dao Dapit, guys. And yeah, kami is located mi sa J. Clarin Street here sa head office na base, no? So, naasad mi ka na mga available display diri sa ubos sa mga gustong mutanaw o sa mga gustong makita ang among display diri sa kanang sa amo ang main, guys. Pwede na ninyo i-visit diri sa J. Clarin Street, Tagbilaran City. Near na siya sa Cathedral. So, atbang na dyan siya or kilid siya sa Sulain. Basta, wala laing Honda Rinless dapit sa Cathedral. So, dali na kami ninyo matunton, guys. So, thank you for watching this video, guys. If napakay another suggestion for my next video, you can comment down below and you can check my other vlog regarding sa mga iba't ibang klase ng Honda motorcycle, guys. And of course, if you have a suggestion for our next vlogs or for our next videos, you can comment down below para mas ma-review pa natin yon. And of course, yes, ang dami ko lang, of course, guys. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akong channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Jenny D. Mapi, and please click the notification bell below para ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na aking upload. And yes, adios! Ride safe! Vroom, vroom!